In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix echo in Zoom. Nothing derails a meeting faster than hearing your own voice bounce back a half second later. Echo usually happens when your microphone picks up sound from your speakers, creating a feedback loop. It can also be amplified by hard surfaces or by two devices in the same room on the same call. Echo is different from background noise or a faint hiss. It's that delayed repetition of your own words that makes it hard to concentrate and forces people to talk over each other. The good news is Zoom has a built-in echo cancellation control. I'll show you exactly where to find it so you can sound clear right away. With Zoom open, look along the bottom toolbar for the microphone icon. Right beside it is a small arrow. Click that arrow to open the audio menu. This menu appears whether you're in a meeting or on the home screen, and it's the fastest path to the controls we need. If your toolbar is hidden, just move your mouse and it will pop up. From that menu, choose Audio Settings. A window opens with your speaker and microphone options. In this window, scroll to the very bottom and click Advanced. Advanced is where Zoom keeps the processing options that shape how your voice is handled in real time. It's easy to overlook if you stay at the top of the page, so be sure to scroll all the way down. Once there, you'll see items related to echo handling. That's what we want to adjust. Find the setting labeled Echo and change it to Auto. Auto tells Zoom to analyze your environment and apply the right amount of cancellation without making your voice sound thin or choppy. The change applies immediately, so there's nothing to save. Speak at a normal volume, and you should notice the echo greatly reduced or gone. If you're live in a meeting, everyone benefits right away. A few quick pointers to support this setting. Keep your speaker volume reasonable. Avoid having two unmuted Zoom devices in the same room. And, if possible, keep your mic a little away from your speakers. Soft furnishings can help absorb reflections too, but the most important in-app move is exactly what you did. Click the mic arrow, open Audio Settings, go to Advanced, and set Echo to Auto. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you sound crisp and confident on your next Zoom call.